Hi everyone. Oh, don't look behind me, it's too messy. No, you already have, right? Oh well, I've been digging into this bundle and I have a few highlights I want to share with you. First off, yes, it's a sweet. This is from a pumpkin ebook. It's by Jackie of Vegan Yak Attack. Her photos are so stunning. Her recipes are really creative. And this is a pumpkin cheesecake. This one is whole foods. And oh my gosh, I've got to make that one. I think you do too. Not all of the ebooks in the bundle are oil-free, but you'll find a lot that are. And a lot of recipes, it's just like a soup or something. You can just leave it out. You know what you're doing. If you're cooking oil-free, you really know what you're doing. This is a Brussels sprouts recipe from Ashley Madden. Now, I don't really like Brussels sprouts, so I thought maybe this one will do it for me. It's funny because it's a miso-roasted recipe, like using miso to roast the vegetables. And I've done that with other vegetables, and I'm not sure why I haven't tried it with Brussels sprouts. So I'm gonna give that one a go. There is a pizza ebook in here. I think I've mentioned that one to you. And what I like about the pizza ebook is at the end of the pizzas, where there's all of these recipes with sauces and toppings and cheeses, is he does outline cheese recipes for you. So there's a mozzarella recipe, a cheese, basic cheese sauce, feta, cashew parm, almond ricotta. And I think that's really nice if you're going to dig into those pizza recipes, that you've got some base cheeses to work with. So those are a few highlights. Go find some of your own. And of course, go try that face yoga that I also showed on social media. I'm loving that one. Okay, have fun with the bundle. Reach out if you have any questions.